Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you I built this React.js Codepen or W3Schools code editor right in the browser itself. So you can see it is running inside the browser. We are running it on localhost. I've also deployed this website on my website freemediatools.com. You can check out the live demo as well. It's a simple HTML, CSS and JavaScript code editor particularly useful for building web applications. So it's similar to the interface of Codepen, which is a very popular website. If you visit codepen.io, here you can actually create a simple HTML, CSS or JavaScript file. So it's similar to this. So we have this area for writing HTML code, then we have the area for writing CSS, and then we have the area for writing JavaScript. So if I write here HTML code here, you will see it will automatically, as I am writing the code, it is automatically compiling the code. You will see the output appearing right in the bottom here. You can apply the CSS here. You can target this H1 element. So you can change the color to red. You can apply a background color property. You can see that we can target the entire body. So in this easy way, this is actually a HTML, CSS and JavaScript editor. So it's similar to Codepen or W3Schools.com, and you can even visit my website to check out the live demo. So this is the tool here, which is React Code Editor. Simply go to this. You can try this if you are interested in purchasing the full source code of this project, guys. So the link is given in the description. You can go to my website procodestore.com. So you will get the full source code. After you purchase it, you will get this full directory structure, which will contain, you will get it that this zip file. You just need to extract this, and this will contain the full React.js project, which is built using JSX. You will see each component is divided into its own component file, which is built using JSX. And if I show you the package.json file, you will see we are using the latest version of React, which is 18.2.0. And for building this code syntax highlighting, for doing the syntax highlighting, we are actually using this library called as CodeMirror. So CodeMirror is a very popular open source package for syntax highlighting. If you are building any sort of coding related application, so it's used for syntax highlighting purposes. So we're using this open source package inside React.js. So there is this package here, React CodeMirror. So you can see this is a fully fledged application. If you want to run this application locally, you just need to execute the command npm run start. So this will start your application locally at localhost 3000. So this is actually the project here. The link is given in the description, guys. You can also open this project locally. So now this will open this project locally on this, and then you can repeat this. You can have a button here. So you can see the syntax highlighting. So here you will do your, can bind a simple a function to this button right here. So when we click this button, we are executing this function. So we can now define this function inside of a JavaScript. So now what happens if you click the button, you will see this function will execute. So I think the spelling of on click. So this is, you can try this, you can make it, you can resize the windows here accordingly. If you want more space, you can do this like this. So the layout, you can control it accordingly. So before purchasing it, you can try this tool on my website, which is hosted here, freemediatools.com/react code editor. On the checkout page also I've given this link. So if you are interested guys, this is a fully fledged project. If you are a student or applying for a job, this will be a great project to get started. You will get to know how I executed or built this project. And once you get the source code, you can also modify this source code as well. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next one.